This square handheld card terminal is your best friend if you own a small business. It's slim and lightweight, but it packs a lot of handy tech into a small package. So let's see what it can do. If you run your business on the go, for example, a pop-up shop like this one, the last thing you need is a bulky payment system. That's where a compact handheld terminal like this comes in. It's no bigger than your phone, so it can be tucked away in your pocket or in a bum bag, meaning it never has to leave your side. It's perfect for outdoor sales too, as it's IP54 splash and dust resistant, so will remain reliable, rain or shine. This comes with a built-in barcode scanner, so you can scan products without having to input all their info. This is perfect if you've got a queue of customers and don't have time to scroll through your inventory. There's also a camera built in. This makes it really easy to organize your stock, as you can take photos of everything and store your inventory right in the terminal. Now, some other handheld terminals need you to link this to your phone and do all of this in an app, but with this, you don't need to get your phone out at all. And it has specialized software for every business, from hospitality to retail to beauty. Plus, you can keep selling all day, even if you're in the middle of nowhere. It's got an impressive 12-hour battery, so you won't miss out on any last-minute sales, and you can take the payments offline as well. If you'd like more info about this square handheld card terminal, visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.